going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Spirit by Beyoncé from the Lion King movie. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll drop kick you into an elephant graveyard. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is going to be in standard tuning, and it uses a lot of different chords, most of which you can find in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, and the ones that it doesn't have in there, I will have also in the description below listed out for you. So if you need any of those, jump into the description once you get done with the video. They will be there for you. Next, you just need to know the structure for this song. It's going to be intro, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, post-chorus, bridge, chorus with the key change, post-chorus, outro. We're going to start with the intro. You're starting on just an F chord. It's going to be 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And this is kind of just ambient. It's like the first 30 seconds of the song. It's literally just kind of like they're just playing an F chord and they're doing the like chants over top of it. That's all it is for the intro. You can strum it, you can pick through it, you can skip it if you want, but that's all it is for the intro. For like the first like 28 seconds, 30 seconds is just an F chord. Now your verses are going to be the exact same. They're using the F chord as well. Then they're going to go C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. D minor, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. And then B flat major, which is 0, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1. And I'm actually kind of muting the high E string. And if you can, use that ring finger to bar the D, G, and B string. If you can only do, if it's easier, I know a lot of people don't have the hand strength for that yet. If it's easier, you can just power chord it and just do ring finger on the 3rd fret on the D string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the G string. That will work, but for the full chord to sound as correct as it can sound, you're gonna want to get that B string as well. Now the strumming pattern for the verses is pretty simple. You're just going down, 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 down. So 3 downs on F and D minor, 2 on C and B flat major. Down, 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 down. Now that's the same for verse 1 and verse 2. Next, your pre-choruses, they're going to be the exact same as well. You're going to start on that B flat major. You're going to go to D minor, then C major, and then you're going to single strum on A major, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Single strum and mute it. Now this chord progression only happens one time before the chorus hits, and your strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 mute. So one more time. Down, 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 down. That's your pre-chorus. Next, you're gonna focus on the chorus, which is pretty simple. You're gonna go back to the F major chord, and the chorus just alternates between that chord and then E flat major, which you're gonna go down to the 6th fret on the A string. You're gonna use that same formation that you're doing for the B flat major. You're just moving it down, starting on the 6th fret on the A string. So you're going A on 6, and then 8 on G, D, G, B. And that's all I'm playing. You don't have to play the low E or the high string or the high E. I'm just playing A, D, G, B. Once you got those chords, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. So that's your verse, your pre-chorus, and your chorus. Now next up we're going to do the post-chorus. This happens twice in the song. First time after the second chorus, and then the next time after the third chorus. The chords are going to be different for both just because the second time it happens is after the key change. So I'll show you the first time it happens. These are the chords for it. It's very, very simple. You're just going D minor and C. And then I'll actually add the, you don't have to do this, but you can feel where it happens in the song. It's like halfway through the C chord. You add that pinky on the 3rd fret of the G string to give it that kind of dissonance there. You can kind of hear where that happens, but I'll show you what the strumming pattern is so you can see where it happens. The strumming pattern is very simple to the chorus. It's down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's where you add that pinky right there. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. After that, we're jumping into the bridge. This also technically happens twice. It's technically the bridge here and then the outro to the song. It's the same as the post-chorus. It's a little bit different both times because the second time it happens after the key change. The first time you're using the chords B flat major and then A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. G minor, which is 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. F major, then you're going back to G minor, back to B flat major, and then to C. Now these all happen pretty quickly, and you're just going to single strum them. It's just going to be B flat major, A minor, G minor, F, G minor, B flat major, C. Just single strums very quickly. So like I said, that's going to play through 3 times, and then after that you're going to jump back into the chorus, and then halfway through the chorus is when the key change happens. So the chorus starts the same, F major, E flat major. Halfway through the chorus, it's going to jump up half a step to where you're going to be playing G flat major, which is 2, 3, 3, or 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. And E major, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. And that strumming pattern stays the same, so it'll go from then you go to the key change, you just go right to the next chord. flat major, E major. After that chorus, you're jumping into the next post-chorus with the key change. It's going to be E flat minor, which is the same E flat chord you're playing in the chorus. You're just turning it minor, which means you're going to go 6th fret on the A string, and then you're going to go 8th fret on the D string, 8th fret on the G string, 7th fret on the B string. And you're barring that 6th fret starting on the A string with your index finger. So it's technically 0, 6, 8, 8, 7, 6. Next chord after that is going to be D flat major. It's going to be that same formation you're using for the B flat major. You're just starting it on 4. So it's going to be 0, 4, 6, 6, 6, 4. And again, I'm not even playing the high or the low E. I'm just playing the A, D, G, and B strings. And that strumming pattern is the same as your post-chorus strumming pattern before. It's down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up. And it only plays through once. Let it ring out there, and then finally the very end of the song is going to be the outro, which, like I said, is the same thing as the bridge of the song. It's just now we're in a key change and we're playing through it twice. We're moving all the chords from the bridge up half a step, so that's going to put us at B flat or B major, which is 0 to 4, 4, 4, 2, and again, just not playing the high or low E. And then B flat minor, which is 0, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. A flat minor, which is 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4. G flat major, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Back to A flat minor. Back to B major. And then up to your D flat major. And again, all single strums, very quickly. It goes through twice. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. So those are the chords for the entire structure of the song. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to play through the entire song. I'm going to play through each part of the song so you can really see what they look like all together. If you need to rewatch this video, by all means, go back, check out the other parts of the video. If you need to rewatch it, pause it, slow down, do all that. Like I said, I will have all the chord diagrams in the description below, so if you need those, go check them out. This is what the song looks like.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.